With all the recent changes, how does SoFi stack up to other top banks in 2025? We'll run through the following areas in this video. 1. The welcome bonus. SoFi still has one of the best welcome bonuses, but keep in mind there are two parts. First, a referral bonus of $25 if you use a friend's referral link or my link down below and deposit $50 or more into your account. Second, a direct deposit bonus of either $50 or $300 for setting up direct deposit. To qualify for the larger $300 direct deposit bonus, you need to have direct deposits totaling over $5,000 during the first month. Earn the $50 direct deposit bonus with direct deposits of over $1,000 but less than $5,000 during that first month. Assuming you use a referral link, deposit $50 and set up direct deposit, you'll earn $75 or $325 when opening a SoFi Bank account and depositing money into it. 2. Interest rates. SoFi pays interest on both its checking and savings accounts. There are a couple of banks like Capital One and Ally Bank that pay 0.1% APY on your checking, but with SoFi you can earn 5 times that, 0.5% APY on your checking. I imagine that on average, at any given time, you have a few $1,000s in your checking account, and earning interest on that balance over time can add up. This is one of the reasons I've stuck with SoFi since 2019. Now, the SoFi savings account interest rate has a pro and a con. You can earn 4% APY on your savings account balance and any vaults, savings sub-accounts that you have set up, but you have to have direct deposit set up. Any direct deposit amount is fine, or it also works if you deposit $5,000 or more into your bank account each month. 4% is a competitive rate when comparing the best high-yield savings accounts right now. If you want to see how the rates compare to other top banks, you can see my latest best high-yield savings account video in the description. So that's the plus. The downside is that if you don't have direct deposit set up or deposit the $5,000 per month into your account, you're only going to earn 1.2% APY, much lower than you could earn elsewhere. A quick note on interest rates. Depending on when you last checked interest rates, these rates could seem high or low. The Federal Open Market Committee raised rates 11 times between 2022 and 2023, and then in 2024 lowered interest rates in October, November, and December. Depending on when you're seeing this video, the rates of SoFi and other banks could have changed, but I try to share an updated best high-yield savings account video every couple of months, especially when interest rates are in periods of fluctuation. 3. Fees. The good thing with SoFi, you won't be charged any fees. No monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, ATM fees, or other fees. I'll put a link to this page that lists all the things that you won't be charged for. You could easily be paying hundreds of dollars of fees at other banks if you're not careful. I had an account with B of A for a while, and believe me, the fees add up. $2.50 to take money out of a non-B of A ATM in the US, $5 at ATMs outside the US, monthly maintenance fees from $4.95 to $25 per month, and $10 for overdrafting your account per item. If the bank you're currently using charges fees like this, it's time to switch to SoFi or another no-fee bank. 4. Savings account sub-goals. Another reason besides the interest rate that I like SoFi savings account is the ability to set up multiple vaults or sub-accounts to help you better manage and reach your financial goals. You could automatically save $50 per month from January to December to have $600 plus interest for Christmas gifts in December 2025. You could automatically save towards a down payment on a home or an engagement ring. You can set a goal amount, choose how frequently and how much you'd like to deposit into each sub-account. I would rather save with a bank that offers this functionality over earning an additional 1/4 or 0.5% of interest per year. I think it's really important if you want to reach your financial goals. 5. Zelle. One of the things I didn't like about SoFi for years was not having access to Zelle to send and receive payments. I basically kept my Capital One 360 account open just to be able to occasionally use Zelle. This is something SoFi added in 2024. 6. Getting cash out of and into your SoFi account. With SoFi, you have access to over 55,000 all-point ATMs to withdraw money fee-free. This is more ATMs than you get access to at B of A, Chase, or Wells Fargo. The downside, though, is getting cash into your account. The only way to do this is to go to a retailer that is part of the Green Dot network. You can go to the counter at 7-Eleven, CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, and more to deposit cash, but you'll be charged a fee of up to $4.95. There are also a bunch of different deposit limits, $500 per transaction, $1,000 per day, $3,000 per week, and $5,000 per month. If you deposit the maximum amount of $500, a $4.95 fee is basically 1% of the amount deposited. It doesn't make sense to lose 1% of the value each time you deposit money into your SoFi account. I rarely receive cash that I want to deposit into my bank account, so this isn't an issue for me. But if you'd like to regularly deposit cash into your bank account, I'd go with Capital One if you want to work with an online bank, or maybe you can find a solid local credit union to deposit your cash into that won't charge you a bunch of fees like we just saw with B of A. 7 other banking benefits. I'll go through these quickly. Get your direct deposit 2 days early. Most other online banks also offer this. Roundups. If you want to automatically save without thinking about it, you can turn on roundups. So if you use your debit card, it'll round up the purchase to the nearest dollar and then deposit the difference into your savings account. 8. Other SoFi products. SoFi Invest. I've been a SoFi Invest customer for almost as long as I've been a banking customer. They offer taxable brokerage accounts, traditional Roth and SEP IRAs. You can use their robo-advisor to automatically invest in a portfolio designed for you based on how you answer a few questions that they'll ask about your investment goals and risk tolerance. Or actively invest in stocks, ETFs, and options with their self-directed investing. I personally like their self-directed investing platform because I can set up recurring investments in fractional shares of ETFs. To learn more about SoFi Invest, watch our 2025 review video in the description. SoFi also allows you to set up a free call with a financial planner. If you have questions about how to better reach your financial goals, I'd sign up for SoFi and schedule this call. The SoFi credit card. Earn 2% cash back on all of your spending. I'd recommend everyone have a 2% cash back or 2x points card, and SoFi is a good option. It's one of the few no annual fee credit cards that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees, so it's a great card to use when outside the US. I'm actually currently in Antigua, Guatemala, and I've used my SoFi card while here. SoFi Travel. They recently partnered with Expedia to set up their travel portal. I'm sure they'll have quite a few unique offers from time to time. Currently, you can receive 20% off select hotels. Also, if you have the SoFi credit card, you'll get 3% cash back instead of the standard 2% with the card. SoFi has multiple loan products. You can get student loans, refinance your current student loans, get a mortgage, or a personal loan with SoFi. They've partnered with insurance companies to offer auto insurance, life insurance, homeowners and renters insurance, as well as cyber insurance. Overall, SoFi is one of the best bank accounts in 2025. If you'd like to pay no fees, earn 0.5% on your checking, 4% on your savings, send and receive money with Zelle, have access to a bunch of other great financial products, all within the same app, you can sign up for SoFi using my referral link below or use a friend's link to earn an extra $25. I don't think SoFi is the right fit if you need to frequently deposit cash into your account. If you don't meet the deposit requirements to earn 4% on your savings, I'd use SoFi's checking account and keep my savings elsewhere. To see the best places to park your hard-earned savings, check out this video up above, or if you want to learn about SoFi Invest, check out the video below, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.